My name is Alicia, I'm 20 years old and I come from Madrid, Spain.
I'm Alejandra, I'm also 20 years old and I also come from Madrid, Spain.
My name is Carl, I'm 26 and I'm from Germany.
My name is Aline, I am Brazilian.
My name is Laura and I'm from France.
My name is Jun, I'm 28 years old and I'm from South Korea.
I am Filippo, I'm 22 years old. I come from Italy.
We want to learn English because we think that we're going to need it in the future for our job, and because we like to meet new people from around the world.
And I also really like the language. I like learning new things, and yes, I think it's a beautiful experience.
I want to learn English for life because it's the primary language of the world, and it's very important you know this language. To speak with people from another country.
Since I was a child, I have been dreaming to live in London, so I came here and I want to have many experience and make friends.
Because I need for my study. I study in business and it's very important English in business.
So 3 months ago I received a job offer to work in the same field but in the multinational company here in London. However, I felt the need to improve my English, so a friend recommended me to speak up London.
I want to learn English because I just finished my studies recently and I actually need English for my new work, which starts in a couple of months. So I decided to come to London, go to Speak Up London and learn some English.
It's been wonderful. We've met a lot of people and we've attended to many social activities, so it's been nice.
I personally love the social activities. I didn't expect them to be that fun, actually.
You're able to participate in a lot of social program, whether it's just going for ice cream, or playing football actually.
The social program is great. It's beautiful because you meet with another people and don't speak English very well like me, but slowly you learn and you go to the pub, go visit museum, Yesterday I play football match.
I have amazing social program like go to the pub and
here we have excellent teachers. I even love my teacher. I've learned things here that I never understood despite studying English my whole life. We have a fantastic staff. They spend time with students, which help us get to know the country and make new friends.
There's a lot of social diversity. For example, in our classroom there are people from Germany, Iran, India, a lot of places.
My experience has been really, really good. I was quite surprised with all the different people from different cultures, different countries.
Well, very good because I met a lot of people and a lot of country.
And this 2 months in Speak Up is more helpful than whole life to study English in Korea.
We feel like we've learned a lot because we spend the whole class listening to English and also speaking, so it's really useful.
Without a doubt, this is the best school in London for anyone needing to learn English while having an unforgettable experience.